Hi dear, welcome to another video. So today in this video I am going to show you how to install Python programming language in your Windows system. So let's get started. First thing first, you need to download the Python software. So for that you need to go to www.python.org. Let's hit enter and here you go. So Python is a free and open source software and which is very popular in these days. So you can to download the Python, click on download or just move your cursor to download, and here you can download the latest version of Python. If you want to download some earlier release, then you can check this going to all release option. I'm going to download this Python 3.13 version and hence I will click on it. So it will ask me to save somewhere. I will choose the download folder and click on it. So pause the video here if you need more time to download the software. Now let's open the folder and there you go. Double click on this installer Python 3.13 amd64.exe. Double click on it to start installation. Now here, before you click on install now, do check this link add python.exe to path. This will make it easier to run Python from your command line. Alright, so let's click on install now. I will first forward this part to reach the end. Okay, so installation done for me. Pause the video here if you need more time. Done? Great. So let's move ahead. Once you're done installation, close this window here. Now we are going to verify the installation. For that, I'm going to run a simple Python program. So when you install this Python, it will also install the IDLE in your computer. So let's search for the IDLE, which is here, and click on it and it will open that window. Now Python can be run in two ways. One, using a shell mode where you can execute line by line. Let me show you. Print hello world. All right. So here we go. The output is there. Now you can write multiple line at a time using a script mode. Now how to write a programming script mode? You can go to file and then click on a new file and you can type your code here. So I'm going to bring this line here. Also, I'm going to print another line. Let's say, how are you? So to run this program, you can go to run and click on run module. But before that, you need to save it. So click OK. Or you can go to any location you want to go. I will save it as with the name test.py. All Python file will take extension either py, pyw, or pyi. So let's click on save and here we go. So another way we can execute the Python program using the CMD command line. So let me open the command prompt here and you can type Python in order to activate the Python shell mode. So hit Python, then hit enter. Now you will get the similar environment like the IDLE. So here also you can write print hello world and it will give you the answer. So congratulations, you have successfully installed the Python in your system. Now in upcoming videos, I'm going to cover how to work with the Python programming language. For that, stay tuned to my YouTube channel. Also consider to subscribe my YouTube channel. This will help me a lot. If you have learned something new from this video, please like the video. Thank you for watching the video. Have a nice day.